Choosing between Viessmann or Vaillant, both are German giants, but which is right for your UK home? Let's find out. Viessmann leads on innovative efficiency, while Vaillant excels in smart integration. Both are top-tier choices. Vaillant Boilers2Go are smart home kings. Quiet Mark certified and reliable, they integrate perfectly with advanced heating controls. The Ecotech range is a UK favourite, backed by our nationwide gas-safe network at Boilers2Go for peace of mind. Viessmann is about engineering excellence. Their stainless steel heat exchangers ensure superior durability and long-term efficiency. Perfect for sustainability, they lead in energy savings, keeping your central heating bills lower for longer. Choose Vaillant for smart controls and ease of use, or Viessmann for the absolute peak of mechanical efficiency. Whichever you choose, Boilers2Go makes it easy with instant quotes and expert installation nationwide. Subscribe to Boilers2Go for more expert advice. We're ready when you are.